Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows build and enabling virtualization. This is essential because the Android subsystem relies on hardware virtualization. Once done, open Settings and turn on Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux features. Make sure WSL is installed and set to version 2. Run the install commands in an elevated PowerShell so the system configures kernel components. This first phase prepares the platform and prevents common install failures before you download any Android components. Next, you install the Windows subsystem for Android. Choose the Microsoft Store package or a direct M6 bundle if needed. Once installed, open the subsystem settings and enable developer mode so you can use ADB for sideloading. Install the Amazon App Store for verified apps or connect ADB from your PC to the subsystem and push APKs directly. Make sure to adjust memory and graphics options in the subsystem UI for smoother performance, because Android apps need balanced resources to run well. Finally, launch Android apps from Start or through the Amazon App Store. You can pin them to the taskbar for quick access. If an app feels sluggish, make sure GPU drivers are current and bump the subsystem resource limits where available. This fixes most performance problems. If an app won't install, re-enable developer mode, reconnect ADB, and restart the Windows subsystem for Android service. This single troubleshooting step resolves installation or connection hiccups in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.